066.
Okay, just
Going to dial that number. Turn the number to 360 434 0 06. On your phone.
Let me find out who Bobby is. Bobby, can you unmute yourself to start your camera and state your full name, please?
My name is Christopher Griffin.
Not you, Bobby. Bobby. I've already checked you in, Mr. Griffin.
No, like you dial my phone. Phone the prompts to enter in.
Bobby, I'm asking you to unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
Yes.
I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. It's on you.
good morning. Please mute your phones. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, or white t-shirts or smoking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. This is the city of Detroit versus Pascal Rojesk, case number SP 171-63841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of.
No, Mr. Berry, that's Mr. Watson. Mr. Watson, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir, I'm here. Jerry L. Watson, P34022.
Okay, and your client's name, good morning, Mr. Gojecki. Goyecki. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Pascal Goiche.
All right, good morning to you. And
Good morning.
Officer Brandon, can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
Yes, sir.
Pascal.
Officer Stephen Brandon, badge 513 with the Detroit Police K-9 unit.
Good morning to you. And today is the date and time set for our formal hearing. What is the resolution, if any?
Double parking, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the matter. I mean, strike that. With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Project, when can you pay it?
Judge, that was double parking we had here.
It's the same difference.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead. All right. Is that okay? When can you pay it?
You can even go today.
Today?
How I go was this paper to show this paper?
Yeah.
What I need to
To
pay?
the courthouse and pay it today, or pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'll just put it in there for tomorrow, make sure that you have opportunity to get it in there. If there's nothing further, I wish you both a safe and happy holiday season.
What I
All
need
three
to
of
do
you.
is
Listen, don't talk. You're interrupting. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season to all three of you. Best of luck to you. $175. Have a very good rest of your day, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays.
What I just need is this.
Yeah.
So even if I go today,
correctional is called Lucretia Golden,
Uh-huh.
manufacturer. He's dismissing no recollection.
You write that down.
Yes.
Counselor, are you ready on Gaines?
Yes, Judge.
It's the city of Detroit versus Amanda Gaines. Case number strike that, State of Michigan versus Amanda Gaines. Case number SX 4615595, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Roger Cayley, P 48811, on behalf of Ms. Games.
As per your client's presence, counselor.
I ask you to waive her presence, Judge. I have the authority to enter any plea that I may enter with the officer or prosecutor.
With that representation, I will waive your client's presence. Trooper Du Bois, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? That's not. That's coming through all distorted, Trooper. I'll note the file that you're here. Has there been a resolution?
There has, Judge. Hopefully she can hear, maybe she could nod her head. We've discussed the matter. I'll be tendering a responsible plea to the improper lane use. The speeding charge would be dismissed. I have the authority to enter that plea. Plead responsible on my client's behalf. Ask for 14 days to pay.
Improper lane use as charged, right?
Correct, Judge.
I'm gonna mute you, Officer Du Bois, because your device is very staticky. Officer Du Bois, you're gonna have to mute yourself, and if you want to communicate, you need to put it in the chat or something, the Trooper Du Bois, because it's coming through very disruptive. Is that not the agreement that you made with the council? That is the agreement that you made with the council? Yes, so I see a thumbs up. That worked better. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the response.
Judge.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Judge.
Find your client responsible as to the charge to the improper lane use, $105. Give her till it says here it's longer than 2 weeks, but January the 6th.
Thank you so much.
So have a safe and happy holiday season. And Trooper Du Bois, you be safe out there. You have a safe and happy holiday season as well.
Happy holidays, Judge. Thank you. Always a pleasure.
Sullivan and Mr. Stephen Nanick, good morning to you. What is
I'm here on Gray, Tawan Gray. I just wanted to speak with the prosecutor.
All right, Tawan Gray is here. I'm gonna put Mr. Gray in breakout room number 5. Mr. Gray, as long as if your client takes the deal, then make sure that your client knows and is fully advised of his advice or rights, okay? Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Your attorney's gonna come see you after he's spoken with the city attorney, okay? Join the room, please. Attorney Bachman, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Nicholas Latika.
He's in the breakout room. Do you need a room? Breakout room?
No, we've spoken, Your Honor. I'm going to go in there with him, and we are awaiting an officer on the trial date.
Okay, very well.
Good morning, and thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Sullivan and Levitt.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm George Howell. I apologize. Something's changed here. I'm not able to rename myself now once I'm in the courtroom. I am here on State of Michigan v. William Gravitt, Grabbitt. And you should have received an advice of rights, a signed advice of rights form, and an affidavit.
Mr. Gravitt is here, Counselor. You heard, I don't know if you heard the instructions. The city attorney meets in breakout room 4. If Mr. Gravitt, today is date and time set for trial, I'm gonna put Mr. Gravitt in breakout room 6. And that'll be your, for him, so you'll move from 4 to 6. You have the ability to move around as you choose to those two different rooms. Mr. Gravitt, you heard that, I'm sure. Join breakout room 6, wait on your attorney. If Mr. Gravitt takes a deal today, make sure he's fully advised. Oh, you said he has a signed advice of rights form in the file. Okay, very well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go with any other counsels here? Mr. Warbling, I'm sorry.
Hello, I'm sorry, I was just signing in. I didn't know if you were starting.
What's your name?
Officer Bolthouse. Here for
Bolthouse.
Glenn Lucas.
Officer Bolthouse, okay. And who's that for, Luke?
Lucas, Glenn Lucas.
Glenn Lucas, okay. Good morning, Officer Bolthouse.
Good morning,
I'll
sir.
sign in.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Make sure you come back in and check with this stuff.
Okay, no problem.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. Was I supposed to be assigned to a breakout room?
No, you go to 4.
Oh, okay, I apologize. Okay.
Gray, right?
Yes.
Your client is Taiwan Gray. You go to 4 and wait on the city, or you can go to 5 and talk to Gray. That you'll be going between.
Oh, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Thank you.
All right. Any other, Mr. Warbling, are you there? All right, I'm gonna get some of the reviews out of here. This is the city of Detroit versus H&E Harris. Case number SP158-61373. Good morning to you, Ms. Garrison. State your name for the record, please. Right there. It's SP152-49741. Garrison, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, please.
I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. The day is the date and time set for review. You were ordered to pay $240, and I don't see that that's been paid. Where are you? Did we lose her already? You have to unmute yourself.
I did. I don't know what's going on with this phone, Your Honor.
All right. State your name for the record, please.
Daisy Garrison.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. Like I said, you were ordered to pay, and I don't see that you paid. What's going on?
I don't know. I don't know what kiosk do I pay at?
Did that DIVDAT, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay.
Okay.
When are you going to do that?
I could try to get down there today.
Well, if you get down here today, let me know if you're going to get down here, or if you're going to get to a kiosk. You can upload the div that app to your phone, I'm told.
Okay.
So I'm going to pass there until you figure it out. All right.
Okay.
Is Christopher Griffin. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Jordan Griffin. Case number SP168-17681. Mr. Griffin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Jordan Griffin.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. This is not entered into, right? All right, I guess it is. I don't know if it is or not. Under city code, Ms. Mathis. 31-5-1781. I don't know if that's drag racing spectator. It nevertheless is gonna be dismissed. I'm gonna, you've paid, sir. I'm gonna dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Have a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays.
Thank you. That's right. It may be right. It may be right.
What is the on the printout?
It says drag racing spectator, but it was under. Is Michael Gamble here? Is Frederick?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Michael Gamble's here. This is good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Lee Gamble. Case number is SP 1399821, SP 1691453, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, what is very?
Oh, I'm sorry. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Gamble.
Michael Gamble.
All right, there's date and time set for a review. Did you do the community service, sir?
No one contacted me, sir.
All right, this is not acceptable. You know, you're supposed to pay this. You're dumping out in the city. You're supposed to pay the money. You haven't paid all of that. I told you if nobody contacts you, you need to get back in touch with the court. I gave you numbers. You have the number here, and you wait until the day of the review to tell me nobody's contacted.
But what I understood last time, Your Honor, you told me that somebody would contact me by the day. If not, we would set it up for community service.
And what I also told you was, if nobody contacts you in a week or so, then you need to get back in touch with the court. I gave you the number to community service, and you have the number to get back in touch with the court. This is the same thing I say to every single solitary person, sir. It's the same line. Get him in touch with Ms. Shelton. Let's pass the matter. I'm going to get you in touch with Ms. Shelton now.
What's his name again?
Michael Gamble. Let's pass the matter.
Morning, Judge Perkins Courtroom. Who's on? Hey, Lorraine, so this is just want to verify defendant Michael Gamble. Did he take this? What is it? Okay. Okay, he may be coming. I do have his number. Okay.
All right, on the Motorola device, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? State your name and start your camera, please.
Thank you so much.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Gordon.
Motorola, good morning to you. What is your name, man?
Gordon.
No, not you. I haven't checked in. Good morning to you. Motorola, ma'am, you're sitting there looking at the camera. Can you unmute yourself, station? Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Letitia Garrett.
Letitia Garrett. Good morning to you, Ms. Garrett.
Good morning.
Look at the codes to make sure that it's right. It's right here.
It's right.
Have you done?
Dismiss me.
Okay.
Sorry. find out, try this Bobby one more time. Bobby? Good
Yeah.
morning to you.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
what is your full name, please?
Robin Guyton.
Robin Guyton?
Hmm?
Good morning to you, Ms. Guyton.
Good morning. Let me put my AirPod in.
National Lampoon is your star.
Should I mute it?
Yes, if you have some background noise, you're gonna have to mute that too when your name is called. All right, Isabel, Lasky.
Good morning, Your Honor. Isabel Gavrilowski on behalf of defendant Jason Gavrilowski.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the state of Michigan versus Jason Gavrilowski, case number SX 462-18781. Appearance for the record, please.
Isabel Gavrilowski on behalf of defendant.
Your P number, counselor.
CR43492.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing, and the matter is Justin Boyzikai here, Justin Boyzikai, State Trooper. Hearing no response, and now is after the time for officer check-in for civil infractions. You want to make a motion, Counselor? As for your client's presence, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor, my client is present.
Jason Gavrilowski speaking.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to move for dismissal.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss, no officer. If there's nothing further, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you both.
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I hope that one mine.
I may mispronounce your name. I'm sorry, ma'am, if I do. It's the city of Detroit versus Shada Gaisa. Did I get the pronunciation? Say that again.
Sajjagazi.
Sajjagazi. I'm sorry. Case number SP 8124, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss.
Sajda Blue Ben Amir Ghazi.
Good morning to you. Since today is the date and time set for a free trial, Mr. Geisy, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come up. Pass the matter. License is valid. Mr. Berry, license is valid if you're still there.
What was that mine?
City of Detroit versus Malika Lloyd, case number SP 178 63441. Appearance for the record, please.
Malika Lloyd.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Ms. Lloyd.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute, wait for more readings as the warrant be recalled, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lloyd, go in the breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. On the telephone at 313-346-6142. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Alvin Gibson.
Gibson.
My name is Alvin Gibson.
Alvin Gibson?
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Judge. I was applying about this ticket that I had got, and I want to make my
Hold on a second. Let me see what your it's Al Gibson, Gibson.
Gibson, yes, sir.
Alvin, Alvine, Alvin.
Alvin Gibson.
Okay, you're not supposed to be here until the 5th of January.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make myself known that I was trying to get you out the way and everything.
All right, sit tight, Mr. Gibson. I'm gonna mute your phone. You press *6 to unmute yourself, okay? When I call your name.
Do what now?
I'm gonna mute your phone. You press *6 to unmute yourself, okay? When I call your name. When I call your name, yes, it's gonna be a minute.
Okay.
All right.
And good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning to you, Ms. That's Officer Perkins.
Did you sign in on Zoom?
No, it's an in-person.
You can sign.
Yeah.
On the telephone at 313-434-9123. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Elton Gibbs.
Elton Gibbs. Good morning to you, Mr. Gibbs.
Good morning.
You want me to do
the trial? Yep. Yep.
All right, anybody on the phone, I'm gonna mute them and press *6 to unmute yourself when we call your name.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I thought it was supposed to be in person. That's what my thank you. Okay, just gotta stand by until.
And Your Honor, give me just a moment.
Thank you.
Because he's scheduled for 9, so he can.
All right,
Whenever
hold on, Mr. Garrison, you have your hand raised. I don't see that it's been paid.
Yeah, that's why I'm still trying to figure out how can I pay? Can I online? Can I pay online?
Yeah, you can pay online, but it's gonna go through. It's gonna take a long time to go through. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay the DivDat, DIV, DAT. You can upload the app to your phone and pay it that. DIV, DAT.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Bradfield.
Your Honor, whenever you get ready to call Jessica Lockett, I put a message in the chat box for you.
Court appointed attorney. Okay, very well. Okay, what about who's ready?
I'm ready on Lloyd, Malika Lloyd.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd. Ms. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, I've entered a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond for dismissal for providing valid documentation, correct?
Yes, she has, Your Honor.
I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Lloyd. Wish you a safe season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. Same to you.
Thank you so much. Is this Mr. Gray Dewan? Let me get the correct, Dewane Gray. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Dejane Gray.
Dejane Gray, I'm sorry, ma'am. Bradfield. This is the city of Detroit versus Dejane Gray, case number SP 181-0040, counts 1 and counts 2. Please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Miss Gray. State your name for the record, please.
Dejane Gray.
Good morning, Ms. Gray. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record for Ms. Kadaji. Ms. Kadaji, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court can confirm that Ms. Ghazi has a valid license.
She does.
Then she also has valid insurance and we seek dismissal.
All right, Ms. Ghazi, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Let me see that.
Jesse Lee, are you there? Jesse Jerome Lee.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jerome Lee, case number SP 165-10281. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Jesse Jerome Lee, sir.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Any attorneys ready? All right. Okay, Ms. Lockett, are you there? Any retained attorneys ready? Ms. Fulmer, good morning to you. What is your client's name, please? Mr. Morat, good morning to you. What is your client's name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. He's Abdul Galib and he's on Zoom.
Abdul Gallo. Do you know what your client wants to do?
Judge, I was waiting to see if an officer's checked in. I didn't think I saw one on the main screen.
And what is this set for?
Bench trial, Your Honor.
The officers have a few more minutes to check in. The other attorney is ready. All right, well, please wait. Mr. Taylor, good morning to you. What is your client's name, please?
Glenn Lucas, Your Honor.
Is Glenn Lucas here? Do not believe I've seen Mr. Lucas sign in here. You see? You see who's on this phone? On the telephone at 313-624-7193. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Frederick Lloyd Gonita.
Frederick Lloyd Gonita. Good morning to you, Mr. Gonita.
Excuse me, sir, I didn't hear what you said.
I said Frederick Lloyd Gonita. Good morning to you.
Oh, morning, sir.
Your Honor, may I give him a call? You can arouse him out, Your Honor.
You may. Lloyd Gonita. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Frederick Lloyd Gonita, case number SP 174-29041. Mr. Gonita, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Are you talking to me, sir?
Frederick Lloyd Gonita. Good morning. State
Yes,
your name.
yes.
All right, state your name, sir, for the record, please.
Oh, Frederick Lloyd Gonita.
Yeah, today is the date and time set for a review. You haven't paid.
I'm having a hard time hearing what you're saying, sir.
I said you haven't paid, sir. You're supposed to pay $240.
Do I owe $140 still?
No, you owe $240 still.
Okay, I can get down and pay that today or tomorrow.
Give me a date.
Today it's going to depend on what time I get out of work. I'm in Okemos, Michigan right now working. I should get back that way, but I can make it tomorrow for sure. I have tomorrow off.
I'm going to give you till tomorrow to pay it, sir. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back tomorrow morning. Once it's paid, we can close the matter out.
I'm sorry. I'm having a real hard time hearing you talk.
Come in tomorrow, sir, and pay it so we can close it out.
Okay, so just after I take care of that, everything will be fine?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be in tomorrow to take care of that.
Very well.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All
right, bye.
Terrell, I just let in the room. Terrell, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Yes,
You need to start your camera, sir.
I got you.
What's your full name?
Terrell Dwayne Gardner.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You were here yesterday. Weren't you here yesterday or something?
Yes, I came in yesterday, but I never got connected to the camera, so I just thought something was wrong, and I don't know.
All right. Sit tight.
Okay.
Hey, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jesse Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we'd seek dismissal.
I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Lee, provide valid documentation. I hope you get your truck going and have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, I got one more question before we disconnect.
What is that?
I paid the bond and it was for like $400, but it was for 2 tickets, and I'm looking at the receipt and they said improper right turn. And I have the case number on the receipt.
You
Yeah,
paid that ticket, so you got the points that were associated with that. When you pay those civil infractions, and you're admitting responsibility and everything that comes along with it. I'll allow Mr. Berry to go back into the room and see if he can help you out. Improper right turn.
Yeah, I got the number here. And I didn't understand.
It's not a question of the number. It's a question of whether they're going to amend it to something that doesn't abstract or give you a lesser fine. That's the question. A lesser point, because you signed up by paying the ticket. Mr. Berry, you want to see if you can help Mr. Lee out on that?
I'd like to try. And what are the cases
he paid an improper right turn. That ticket was paid on October the 30th, 2025. And he also paid a no insurance proof on the same day. All right.
Yes, sir. Give me a moment.
Just give Mr. Berry an opportunity to go speak to the city on your behalf and see what he can come up with, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's recall Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you worked out a dismissal of the misdemeanor and your client is pleading to the seatbelt ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, fine. You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
Find your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
And find your client responsible as charged to the seatbelt, $65. When can you pay it, Ms. Gray?
The 26th.
26th of this month?
Yes.
Make sure you pay it by the 26th. We have pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways. I can tell you to pay it. I'll have a safe, happy holiday season, man, and best of luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jessica Lockett. Case number Z809-8411. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of my defendant. State your name for the record, please.
Jessica Lockett.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lockett. Today is the date and time set for, that's a pre-trial.
What's your name?
I believe.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so, Ms. have you talked to Ms. Lockett yet?
No, I could go in a breakout room and speak with her.
I'll give you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Lockett. Ms. Lockett, go ahead in the breakout room. excuse me, and speak. Miss Bradfield, she's gonna kind of go over what's gonna transpire today, all right?
Judge, Officer Davis, David just called at 9:28.
Join the room. All right, any other retained matters ready?
Yes, Your Honor. George Howell here for William Grabbit.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
You want,
All right, that's cut off for officers. Grab it. City of Detroit versus William Grabbit, or strike that, State of Michigan versus William Grabbit. Case number SP, strike that, SX 45937571. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. George Howell, P 74468, appearing on behalf of Mr. Grabbit. Mr. Grabbit is also here.
Grabbit, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
William Grabbit.
Right. Day is the date and time set for a trial. Is there a Sahib, SAHIV, Michigan State Police, 321. Is there a trooper? Let me find out who this is on this Samsung. They did check in before 9:30. I just did not let. On the Samsung, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, please?
This is the same person, Your Honor. I was trying to get into that room with the attorney. I think it was Mr. Barry.
All right, you don't have to get into the room. You just wait, and see if when he comes out, he'll be able to talk to you.
Okay,
All right.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Hearing no response for Grabbit on the, and I don't believe I've checked that officer into the room.
He's got an attorney.
I definitely don't see him in the breakout room.
He just came in and worked for me, so he's with the suit.
And so go ahead, Counsel.
This is the date and time set for a trial on this matter. The officer has not appeared. We would move for dismissal.
All right, Mr. Grabbit, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss and wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you both.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very
Have a-
much, Your Honor. Happy holidays.
Yes, same to you. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gamble. Mr. Gamble, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You had a conversation with Ms. Shelton, correct?
Yes, sir, I did.
You squared away now, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, when can you finish this stuff?
I have to talk to Miss Logan. Will you allow me a couple of weeks?
I'm gonna give you till January 16th. Come back January 16th at 8:25. Wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, sir.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
What the
Mr.
hell?
Barry, there? What happened to Mr. Barry? All right, I'm waiting on an attorney. Ms. Palmer, are you there? I guess we can get Mr. Abdul Galab. City of Detroit, strike that. State of Michigan versus Abdul Hussein Galab, case number SX 460-22851. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Murad, P83665 on behalf of Mr. Abdul Galab, who is on Zoom. Abdul, can you tell the judge your full name?
Okay, my name is Abdul Hussein Jalal.
Jalal, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. I am looking for a trooper or Michigan State marijuana and tobacco investigator, Rusinski or Gilmer. Rusinski or Gilmer. Not having seen any of those officers, let me see just to make sure. Gibbs. All right, I have not seen those officers appear. Any of those officers appear. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Move for dismissal, Judge.
All right, case dismissed, no officer. If it's nothing further, Mr. Galab, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you and Counselor. I don't see you for the holidays. You have a safe, happy holiday season as well. Probably.
You too, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Mr. Barry, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Mr. Lee?
Yes, we are.
Any resolution?
I'm afraid not, Your Honor. The city is
Hello?
not prepared to make any adjustments.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't understand why not. And what was their reasoning behind that?
That it's closed and they don't want to deal with it. Apparently, they're stretched very thin today, and they just couldn't turn their attention to this.
All right, Mr. He tried, Mr. Lee.
Okay, all right. That didn't make
You should get some. If you have your driving record is you're decent enough, I'm sure you should get your mail where you can get those points overturned if you take a class, but they would send you that in the mail. I don't know if you got that or not, or if you qualified, so I don't know. All right, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Omar Owens, case number SP 1390565, counts 1 and count 2. And SP 1816021, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens.
Omar Sterling Owens.
Good morning. You have to turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you. All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Owens, I'm gonna put you in a breakout. Omar Sterling Owens. Maybe I have the wrong Owens. Omar Owens. Yeah, I have the wrong Owens. All right, strike that. Case numbers from the record called City of Detroit versus Omar Sterling Owens. Case number C569220, counts 1 and counts 2. All right, Mr. Owens, Mr. Berry, you can still run his license. Mr. Berry, is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Owens, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right. Ms. Palmer, are you ready? Let's continue. We'll wait on. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockett. Ms. Lockett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Is your client fully advised of what's going on here?
Yes, Your Honor, and we would like to move forward with the court-appointed attorney.
Okay, I'm gonna amend the bond. The bond now is gonna be a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time a week. I'm gonna have order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission, and I'm gonna order you to obviously not drink during the pendency of this case. All right, I'm gonna refer to probation. I do need a good phone number from you in order to get you set up with that probation and with the court-appointed attorney. If you don't want to say it out loud, you can put it in the chat.
Put it in the chat already for you, Your Honor.
You did? Okay, very well. So what I'm gonna ask you, ma'am, is I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. You should be expecting a call from probation department for the testing. And you should be expecting a call from the court-appointed attorney. So as for the probation department, I'm gonna give you the number to probation. And I want you to, if you have the way that you can sign in here in case probation doesn't contact you. But it's Tuesday, ma'am, it's early in the week. I expect to test this week, and I expect to test every week thereafter until the bond conditions change or the case is dissolved of some kind of way. If there's a mistest, a diluted test, or a positive test for alcohol, we're gonna up the ante on the bond. You understand that, ma'am?
Yeah.
I see you shaking your head.
Yes.
And I don't have to explain what I mean by upping the ante on the bond, do I?
No.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No. She's gonna. I can go and get the information from the room, right?
No, I'm gonna give you the number to the probation department. So 313.
Hold on 1 second. Let me get a pen. I just had one in my hand. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. 313-965-3414.
Say it one more time, Judge.
313-965-3414. That's the number to probation. Now, here it is. Again, you shouldn't have to call them They should call you. But if you do not hear from them, I'm not gonna accept the excuse that nobody called me. I want you to take some, action. And you have the number to the court. You know how to zoom in and we can help you get to that, person. Or you have the number to probation. So by the end of the week, if you haven't heard from them, you know you have to test, you need to be taking some action, okay?
Okay.
Any further questions, ma'am?
No.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of January 13th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back in the new year, okay?
All right. Thank you. You as well. Bye.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Devin Lamont. Case number SP 1806430, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Devin Lamontagne.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lamontagne.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, waive formal readings, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. There is an off docket seatbelt ticket as well. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Lamontagne to be heard on that if the city has no objection to setting it aside. Mr. Lamontagne, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, sir.
It's past the matter.
Your Honor, I have a question.
What is your question?
It's about my traffic tickets for no proof of insurance. I was wondering, last court date I was in court to show it, but I couldn't find it. I was wondering, is it possible for the vehicle I was driving, if I show it, would I still have to pay the fine?
Those tickets were years ago, ma'am. You never did take care of them. I even wait for the no proof of insurance. No proof of insurance. What I will allow you to do is I will allow you to pay the first $45 reinstatement fee up front. So that
I'm sorry.
I'll allow you to pay the first $45 of those tickets up front. That'll go toward the reinstatement fee. And that should get you clearances here. The only thing is you're gonna have to bring that it's gonna be $90 because I see 2 no insurance, well, it's gonna be 3 no insurance proofs, so $125. So it's gonna be 3 no insurance proofs of $45 a piece that you're gonna have to pay to get clearances here. You're gonna pay those. If you pay those, you're gonna put the expectation of having to pay off the whole ticket.
Okay.
But the first $45 for those 3 tickets will get you clearances here and potentially set you up to get a valid license.
Okay. Is it a certain time I have to pay, or could I pay it by the 20th?
The clearances will get there. If you don't pay it, the clearance won't get to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
If you only pay 1, then you have realized that you have 2 others to pay because you have to pay all 3 of them to get the clearance. All 3 need to be there to the Secretary of State in order to be at least eligible for a license as it relates to these cases on the
Okay. Could I pay him by the 28th of this month?
At any time, it's going to be in the system.
Okay. Thank you.
But you have to pay this stuff. Listen, let me do this. Bring money down today of that 240 that you're
I was going to pay it on the kiosk.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Bring that money down here today, the 135, put it toward the, the insurance tickets, the reinstatement fees. And then the rest of the $105 you can put on the disorderly conduct. And then I'll give you until January 16th to pay off the rest of the disorderly conduct. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you come down today, bring that 240, pay the 135 for the if no insurance proofs, pay that first. And then you can put down the other $105 on the disorderly conduct, and then have the rest of the disorderly conduct paid off by January 16th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Me too.
All right, who's ready?
I'm ready, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, if I could get a SOS check on Mr. Lamontagne, please.
He doesn't have a license. It's expired.
Thank you.
I believe Lucas is going to be a dismissal, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Glenn Lucas. These numbers SP 176-00501, SP 176-00641, SP 177-48011. Appearance for the record, please. Both houses here. Go ahead. Appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, would you introduce yourself, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Glenn Marcel Lucas Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. So Officer Bolthouse did appear, and she's in the courthouse, so I'm gonna get her to sign on when we get her, and then Officer Hillman appeared. However, he said he had no recollection. So on SP 177-48011, I will dismiss that for no recollection. And then I'm gonna pass the matter, and we're gonna get Officer Bolthouse in. She's come in and out of the courtroom a few times, checking back in. We'll get her on Zoom and we'll get an offer, right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
And good morning to you, Mr. Lucas.
Good morning as well.
Pass the matter.
So Judge, just stay on Zoom, right? Until you call. Okay.
This is Lucas here, the one that messed up this deal. All right, Mr. Massaria, good morning. Good morning, Massaria. What is your client's name?
I got three of them. First one's all times Gibbs.
Gibbs. He's here.
Okay.
Is everything all right?
I told him to come in person too. Are you in the courthouse, sir?
Are you talking to Lucas?
Yes.
I'm on Zoom, sir. I'm here with my two. Pardon me?
Didn't I tell you to come in person?
I had called the crowds. I
didn't ask you that. I didn't ask you that. Didn't I tell you to come in person?
Yes, you did.
All right, so you gotta come on down.
I have my 2-year-old son with me.
You should have made a contingency plan for that.
That's what I tried to do. I called the crowds. They said, if anything, just make sure
not
you do.
type of contingency plan. You should have got a sitter or something. You have to come in.
Let me call my. I would have to like zoom out and call my sister and see if she can come over here and sit with me. Pardon me?
Do what you need to do.
Okay. Okay.
Samsung, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you, sir.
It's Juan Gray.
Juan Gray.
Yes, sir.
I'm here on that matter, Your Honor. Apologize. We're ready to go on it.
All right. Because I already checked you in, right?
Yeah, and I spoke with the prosecutor. We're just adjourning it for discovery.
Spell your first name, sir.
Tawone.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Tawan Gray, case, and State of Michigan versus Tawan Gray. Correct that. State of Michigan versus Tawan Gray, case number SX4607877, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Your Honor, I'm asking for an adjournment for discovery purposes.
Gray, did you state your name for the record?
Me?
Mr. Gray.
Juan Gray.
All right, good morning to you. I'll grant the motion for an adjournment for discovery January 13th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Counselor and Mr. Gray, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Is that Mr. Gray still on? All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Alton Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, your attorney is here.
Okay.
Hughes and Short, I don't think I've seen any of those officers. Vincent Gray. Is he here? Can you unmute yourself, sir? Good morning to you.
Hello.
How you doing? Is this Vincent Dion Gray?
Yes.
All right, your matter is not set until January 13th.
Oh, they told me I had to come on the. They told me to come on the 16th.
What I'm gonna do, I see that you owe a no insurance proof.
And I got all the paperwork here too. I got all the paperwork and everything.
Run his driver's license, please.
And actually, I don't have a driver's license. I'm still working on that with the people in Rochester Hills. They want me to pay $2,000 and I can't afford it, so I'm still working on that one. But I got all the other stuff taken care of.
Well, let me say this. Let me stop.
Okay.
Stop. You owe a reinstatement fee here. So if you need to pay this $45 reinstatement fee, or you're gonna have problems here once you take care of whatchamacallit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front. You bring the $45 in the court, that way this doesn't give you, doesn't suspend your license as well, all right?
What? Okay. Matter of fact, I can pay it today. I can't.
You gotta come into the courthouse and pay it. There's no better way I can allow you to do that, because this is something special I'm doing. Bring the $45 into the cashier and let them know you're paying that $45 on that reinstatement fee, okay?
Okay. What? Okay. And I can't do it online. Okay. What? Is there a number or something, or I just give my name?
Just give me your name. They ought to know that down there. I'm gonna let him pay the reinstatement fee. I don't need to drive.
Can I get off at? I can get off at 1 o'clock today, right? Okay. Yeah, I can get off work at 1 o'clock today and come right down there.
All right. Pay fee up front. All right. Come back on. It's already in the system now, so you don't have to do anything. Update the repeat.
Okay.
All right, come back. I think it says January the 13th, all right, at 8:30.
Okay.
Safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Owens? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Omar Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of failure to display the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Owens?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Where is it? You need to turn the camera on, sir. All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 11th, 2025 at around 1912 hours in the city of Detroit, in the area of Outer Drive and Avon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
The license was suspended. Well, I produced it, but they were suspended.
Very well, not a valid driver's license. All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that, $240, Mr. Owens, when can you pay it?
May I have 30 days?
I'll give you until January 16th, 2026. Pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
I have one other question.
What is that?
When I go to pay it at the kiosk, what do I enter?
You just enter your name. Should be,
Okay.
but just enter your name.
Okay,
All right, best
All
of
right.
luck to you.
thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Peter Gregory Goldsmith, case number SP 181-2599, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goldsmith.
Peter Gregory Goldsmith Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Goldsmith, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
You join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Just pass the matter. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone?
While I'm waiting, Your Honor, I could take another client.
Ms. Giltz, Mr. Giltz, Mark Giltz, are you there?
Sir,
Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Giltz, case number SP 1199131, SP 17773821. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Giltz. Unmute your device and state your name for the record, sir.
Mark Gilks.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Giltz. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm looking for Officer Hope. I think it may be Corporal Hope and Officer Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes. Good morning, Ms. Mason. Having not seen any of those officers on my list, go ahead, Ms.
Move for dismissal for failure for officers to appear, Your Honor.
All right.
I was gonna check
Case
out which
is
officers are here.
dismissed. Mr. Giltz, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You have a safe, happy holiday season. You still owe the court a couple dollars on 2 other tickets, all right?
what other tickets, sir? Could you tell me?
Yeah, you have a old 21 to 25 over, you owe 216 on, and you have an old, I don't know what this is, FTSACD. Older tickets, 258. I'm waiving this $50 warrant fee on one of these tickets, and if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe, happy holiday season, all right, Mr. Giltz?
You too.
Thank you.
Judge, the city prosecutor here. Can I get privileges and I'm taking over?
All right, very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
GIBBS
Alton.
Elton.
Elton.
Are the officers here for Elton?
I don't know, let's see who the officers are. Hughes is here, and I don't see Short. Lachey, Lanier.
That's my last one, Judge.
That's yours?
Yeah.
All right, that's the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and put you down.
One.
Yeah, she has, I think, 24 or something like that.
Lachelle Lanier, I'm sorry. All right, and then gets me down to
You know what officers we have out here?
I don't know. I'll give me a minute. Lighty here, am I pronouncing that correct? Anita,
Yes, I'm here.
That big, good morning to you, man. Did I pronounce your last name correct?
Good morning. No, it's Gallaty. It's okay.
I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Anita Gallaty. Case numbers SP 174-5678, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 174-56821. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Ms. Bradfield. Is she back?
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm ready on Mr. Lamontagne.
Okay, well, put your appearance on the record for Gallaty, Ms. Gallaty.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gallaty.
All
State
right.
your name for the record, please.
Donita Gallaty.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute, wait for more readings, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
We'll recall any warrants, and also we have an expired plate and a seatbelt ticket that went along with these tickets. I don't have any issue with allowing Ms. Gallaty be heard on those. If the city has no objection, set it aside. Ms. Gallaty, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room and with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Mine. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and just give her a minute to come in there and come see you, all right?
Okay.
Join the room. We just passed the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Lamontagne. Lamontagne, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Counsel, what is this gonna be?
A plea to the seatbelt dismissal of the license offense, Your Honor.
You wanna take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count as charged to the seatbelt ticket. $65. When can you pay it, sir?
I can pay it by tomorrow, Your Honor.
To pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Happy holidays. Thank you.
Thank you.
Terrible, we're doing terrible. Let's do this.
All right, I'm waiting on an attorney. Who else do you have besides Lanier and Alton Gibbs?
It was Gilks who you dealt with at Washington,
Gilks.
which I think you just dismissed him. Oh, yeah, which isn't a problem.
Yes, so look at it, the birthday is different. Mr. Andre Grable,
Here's the
And I'm getting picked up.
you are, you gotta wait, sir.
Okay.
Call it order that you came in. But you have to, Mr. Andre Grable,
Yes, I'm here.
all right, your matter is, what is your date of birth, sir?
04/08/1995.
On that one ticket, they put 0405.
The second one.
Yes. Mr. Baughman, are you ready?
We are, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Nicholas Luddick. Case number SP 176-51871. appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, give the court your full name?
Yes, Nicholas Letica.
I believe this matter is set for trial at 9 a.m. The people should have a complaining witness in this case. So can I confirm that for you, for me?
I have a Gerard Davis.
Right.
Officer Davis. Do you see that officer?
I do see it. Jared, J. Davis, Officer J. Davis. Can we have that person just confirm that they're here for trial in this matter? Be prepared to proceed.
Officer J. Davis, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Yes, sir. This is Officer Jerry Davis.
Name, badge number for the record, please.
I'm sorry, badge 563 or City Detroit.
Very good. And I do have Officer Davis signed in on time.
Thank you.
Do you need to negotiate with the city?
No, Your Honor, we're prepared to move forward. My client is advised of his rights. He's going to waive his right to today's event. That trial will not occur if the defendant pleads guilty according to the recommendation for a 90-day delayed sentence. He's advised and ready to give you a factual basis to accept his guilty plea here and now.
And that's pleading as charged?
That's correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Letica?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Hoffman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up.
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, I don't believe so. No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 4th, 2025, around 12:30 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of LaSalle Gardens and Rosa Parks Boulevard. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
I was.
And what's over there?
There's just a lot of abandoned property, and I was just doing some exploring.
And were you in one of those abandoned properties at that date and that time?
I was.
And you didn't have the permission of the owner or of that to be in that place, did you?
No, I didn't have permission, no.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. It's gonna be a $240 fine, 3-month delayed sentence. I'm gonna give you until March the 16th, 2026. That's gonna be the 3-month date. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk, $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are the 2 best. Don't get in any trouble. And in 3 months on March 16th, if those 2 conditions are met, I will dismiss the case. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. And best of luck to you.
Of course. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a great day too, Your Honor.
All right, is that it, Mr. Bob?
That's it for now. Thank you.
Very well.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, take it easy, Officer Davis. Be safe. Clear up, safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you.
I don't know, this guy, I can see this guy.
Anybody ready here? Let's go back on with Mr. Goldsmith. Mr. Goldsmith, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to open alcohol as a passenger. the insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Goldsmith?
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yeah.
yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes,
Do you have any questions about those rights?
no,
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Excuse me.
no.
Let me draw your attention back to October 15, 2025, around 8:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and 24th Street. Are you in that area around that date and that time?
You say Jefferson?
And 24th Street.
No, I wasn't. No, no.
Who are you talking to, sir?
Yes, I'm doing it in my head, trying to remember where that's at. But
You
yeah,
recall being in that area that day and that time?
I was up under the bridge, yes.
All right, and were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
You have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
He had a beer.
And was it open, sir?
Yes,
And there was still some alcohol in the container, correct?
yes,
Find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol on the motor vehicle passenger and a $240 fine. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
240, sir. When can you pay it, Mr. Goldsmith?
can I get 2 months?
I'll give you a month. And what I'll do, January 16, 2026, I will allow payment plan. So do one of two things before or on January 16th. Either pay it off at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come down to the courthouse on or before that date and get into a payment plan. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Robert Grable, case number V13094723, V13094823, V13094922, SP 11392131, SP 1347128, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1347311, SP 1384400, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1659370, counts 1 and counts 2, 21737620, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jerry Grable.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a ring on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Fulmer, are you ready?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you very much for your patience, Judge.
Good morning to you. Who's your client?
Floyd Givens. I just need to see a city attorney or state attorney. I don't know which.
All right.
I can give you the offer right now. It's going to be a failure to display on the license, revoke, dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. That's the offer.
So may I speak with the prosecutor?
That's the prosecutor there. Go ahead in the breakout room, and speak to Ms. Palmer, Floyd Maurice Gibbons. Go to breakout room 4, and then is Floyd Gibbons here?
He is, Your Honor. He's on Zoom.
Right. Mr. Gibbons, good morning to you. First, Mr. Floyd Gibbons. All right, you have to press *6 to unmute yourself, sir, please. Mr. Gibbons, are you there? Floyd Gibbons, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please?
Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Mr. Gibbons, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Miss Palmer to come see you, okay?
Thank you.
Ms. Palmer, you move from 4 to 5 when you make sure Mr. Gibbons is fully advised of his rights or rights if he takes a deal.
Of course, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Warbling, are you here? No, not yet. All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. On the Motorola Moto G, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name? Good morning to you.
Letitia Garrett. I got disconnected.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I did too. Oh, somebody got disconnected. I'm talking about I did too. Are they gonna rejoin us?
You're here.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, are we ready on Gibbs? Alvin Gibbs? I'm sorry, that was not supposed to be, that's good.
Yeah,
Floyd Gibbs. I'm sorry.
No problem.
I'm sorry. Here, go to 6. I'll put
Okay.
Alvin Floyd Gibbons in
Floyd.
6.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Mr. Gibson, I put you in the wrong room. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer now. Ready on Givens?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's the city of Detroit versus Floyd Maurice Givens II. Case numbers, SP 179-4225, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Alice Omar, P 60236, appearing on behalf of Floyd Maurice Givens II. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Givens. Is he brought back in, Your Honor? I don't know.
Should be. Yes, he's here. Mr. Givens, state your name for the record, please. I don't know what's going on with this device.
Floyd Givens.
Today is, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. What's Mr. Givens want to do?
Respectfully, Your Honor, after my conversation with the city attorney, my client will plead to failure to display in the remaining matter.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Givens?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Is your hand raised? Right hand raised?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Correct.
Is that yes?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Palmer went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I'm going to draw your attention back to September 17, 2025 at around 8:53 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Correct.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 is fine. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
He'll stipulate.
All right, $240, sir. When can you pay it?
He needs 30 days to pay, Your Honor.
January 16, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season. You and Ms. Fulmer, and best of luck to you both.
Likewise, Your Honor.
Happy holidays to you too.
Good to see you and your staff, Judge.
Thank you, thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gallaty. Ms. Gallaty, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a plea to a civil infraction.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
I'm mute.
All right, we're gonna pass it. Let's go.
Unmute your device.
Detroit. City of Detroit versus Robin Patrice Guyton. Case number SP 804796, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 80535511. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Guyton. State your name for the record, please. Guyton?
Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
Robin Geisen.
All right, good
For
morning.
purposes of arraignment, she stand mute. Wait for my readings, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There's one matter on the docket today. There is another matter that went along with this, expired plate. No registration, no proof of insurance. I wouldn't have any issue with setting those matters aside. The city has no objection to those. She also owes a number of other civil infractions, one of which is another no insurance proof, $336. If she paid that, she could potentially set herself up to get a valid driver's license if she does not already have one. I say potentially because I don't know what our driver's license look like in other jurisdictions. I know it would give her clearances here at the 36th District Court. Ms. Guyton, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Judge, the offer right now is failure to display, and if she plays on, and pleads to one, no proof of insurance, the remaining are dismissed.
Insurance, no proof is a civil infraction. I believe those compound on the individual.
Does it prevent them from getting a car registered in their name unless they pay for a 6 month policy up front?
I'll give her this, the FTD. We can dismiss the remaining.
Thank
All
you.
right, that's the offer. $240 is gonna be the fine. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial. If you don't like that offer, then you can exercise that trial right. Ms. Guyton, join breakout room 3, and I'm gonna pass the matter. Ms. Bradfield, let's go back on the, Ms. Gallaty. Am I pronouncing it right?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Gallaty, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gallaty. Ms. Gallaty, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, and you want to accept the seatbelt ticket, ma'am?
That's correct, yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count. Let's strike that as charged to the seatbelt ticket, $78. When can you pay?
I pay next week. Next week, Thursday.
Make sure it's, I pay it by next week, Thursday. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you, you can upload that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gallaty, you have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, okay?
You as well, thank you.
You can go ahead and join that room, Ms. Bradfield, and speak to Ms. Guyton. Let's go back on the record. Mr. Grable, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Grable?
Yes.
Come back on January 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit. Versus Aquan Ramon Gordon. Case numbers SP 1173883, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1249496, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1287941, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1319263, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1355976, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1357219, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1364897, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1374871, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1424105. SP 1446385, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1451703, SP 1582749, 1. SP 163-9256, counts 1. SP 164-9921, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 166-5873, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 166-5876, 3. SP 169-5442, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 171-6031, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-4259, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182-7434, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183, strike that. SP 182-7435, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
Turn your camera on.
Hey, my name is Aquan Gordon.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I don't know if I told you this last time, sir, but I'm going to tell you this now. If you continue to come in here with these tickets, you're going to go to jail, all right?
Say that again.
Continue to come in here with these tickets, you're going to go to jail, okay?
You said come in with the tickets?
Yeah, if you get found guilty and you continue to get these tickets, you're going to jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't attempt to get him an updated offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gordon, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Gordon, are you ready on anyone? See if we can get Officer Bolthouse.
Yes, Your Honor. She's right in the hallway. She's just gonna wait.
All right, let her know.
Yes, sir.
Miss Mason? Did you talk to Ms.
Yes,
Mason?
Your Honor.
Did you talk to Ms.
Yes,
Mason?
I got it all together.
All right, let's call. Let's go back on the record. Mr. Glenn Marcel Lucas, get him a vice of rights form, please. All right, we're back on the record. Ms. Mason, do you want to put your appearance on the record or no? All right. What is the Mr. Lucas, state your name for the record again, please.
Glenn Lucas Jr.
All right, good morning to you. All right, go ahead, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57.
Your Honor, I don't need to put my, sorry, I do not. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Lucas. State your name for the record, please. Okay.
Officer Bolthouse, good morning. Will you state your name for the record, please, and your badge number?
Officer Janine Bolthouse, badge 632.
Very well. Detroit Police Department?
Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Go ahead. What's the offer?
Your Honor, Mr. Lucas has several matters, but all of them are going to be dismissed except he's going to agree to the lettering and 12 months delayed on the open intoxicant. Everything else is gone.
Yeah. So it's only 3 matters. So he's gonna. I only see 3 matters. Let me look it up again.
This plus other tickets. We don't share anymore.
Let's see, Glenn Lucas Jr., Glenn Marcel Lucas Jr., open alcohol on motor vehicle passenger, littering, and alcohol-related violation. The alcohol-related violation was Hillman. He indicated to the court that he had no recollection. These are the 2 matters that were written by Officer Bolthouse. And he's pleading to both of them as charged.
I don't think so, Your Honor. I would like to do that.
All right. Ask again.
Still there.
Have a seat, so.
Just have a seat, sir.
Need a pen, it's right there in the middle.
Nico Cruz.
Yeah. See, it's not good. Like you said, I'm not really.
Nico Cruz. He's, you can free to leave, he's just past, I give him an hour grace period. They can
He called him. To see if he didn't show up. Nico Cruz.
Nico Cruz is here, you called in?
No, that was the officer calling him.
Oh, right. Miss Mason. You know, your room is 4, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't have anybody in my room right now, Judge.
I see. Now you have Mr. Ogletree wanting to see.
There.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer. Jesus Vasquez Gomez, good morning to you. Are we ready? Are you ready, Mr. Worley?
Yes, I'm ready, Judge.
Who do you have?
So I got Mr. Ojalot, who's got a couple different matters that are up today.
Ojalot, Jawad?
Yeah, we have those resolved.
All right, let's start with that.
Sure, that sounds good, Judge.
Is he here?
No, there's civil matters. If I could waive his appearance.
Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Vasquez Gomez. Do you need an interpreter?
No.
All right, good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Jawad Ojalot, case number SP 1800933 1827448, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearing for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Ojalot. Judge, these are civil matters. If I could waive his appearance, I do have authority to act on his behalf this morning.
Based on that representation, I'll waive the client's presence. Have the officers appeared?
On this particular one, Judge, I don't believe the officer has appeared, so we will be making a motion.
So K. Wright, Officer K. Wright, I do not believe I've seen that officer check in. I'll make sure, I'll check my list, and then it was, see if the other officer, Charles Turner, he did appear.
Yeah, that one we have resolved, Judge.
All right, so I'll dismiss the right tickets for no officer, and what's going to happen with the other 3?
The other one, Judge, let me see, count 1 to be dismissed, count 2 responsible as charged, count 3 blockading.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea of the client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, find your client responsible as to, based on those stipulations, as to blocking traffic for the 16 to 20 over and $175, and failure to illuminate license plate light. Find him responsible for that as well. I don't know, fine him on that. Have him pay it by January 6, 2026.
Do we know the total on that, Judge? I apologize.
175.
I now look up the other one. Thank you, Judge.
The other one, I said no fine.
Oh, thank you so much, Judge. Thank you for that.
All right, go ahead. Who's next?
And I just had Mr. Omar.
Mr. Here.
And from speaking with Prosecutor Horn, I don't know if these officers, I know that on the trooper cases, I don't believe so.
Omar is a civil infraction as well?
They're civil infractions, yes, Judge.
I don't see Omar on the docket for some reason.
Oh, okay.
What's his full name?
It's Khalid. Khalid is the first name. Omar.
He's at 8:35, Judge. 8:35.
Thank you, Attorney Mason.
And these matters were not set for officers to appear. They were set for a hearing, not a formal hearing.
Could I reset them then, Judge? I'm sorry.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Khalid Omar, and the state of Michigan versus Khalid Omar. This would be the city of Detroit versus Khalid Omar. State of Michigan versus Khalid Omar. Case number SX 4264035, counts 1 and counts 3. SX 43198521. Appearance to the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Omar. Judge, these are civil matters. If I may waive his appearance, he's empowered me with the authority to resolve these matters on his behalf.
And case number SP 156157111. I will waive the client's presence, and you want a formal hearing date, right?
Correct. Thank you, Judge.
January 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Anything else?
Nothing further, Judge. You and your staff have wonderful holidays.
You as well.
Thank you. Thank you again, Attorney Mason.
Are we ready on Lucas?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back on the record again with Mr. Lucas. If you get that advice of rights form, Officer Wilson, please. Yes, sir. All right, what's going to be the resolution again?
For the record, Your Honor, D. Chiku Mason, City of Detroit. The city stands by its offer on the open alcohol passenger. That'll be a delayed 12 months. On the ticket ending 0641 littering, there's no offer. Plead is charged.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Lucas would like to bail accept that offer.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a 12-month date? You signed it, you read and signed this advice to rights form? Did you understand the rights?
Yes.
Any questions about the rights? You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give the rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Right.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 19th, 2025 at around 7:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Eileen. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
And beer.
And was there something in the container at the time?
Yes, sir.
And was the container open?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as charged to the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That'll be a 12-month delayed sentence. And did you in fact get the ticket from Ms. Bolthouse?
Yes, sir.
And did you throw that ticket out the window?
Yes, I
Find your client guilty as to the littering charge. That's going to be another $170. And what I surmise by the conversations that we had last time and what I told you about taking responsibility was you feel, and you talked all about how you do community service and how you do all this and you're there to rebuild your community. But you feel that this charge of you just drinking a beer in the car is insignificant. And why, and like you said, there's people out here murdering people and things like that in the city of Detroit. So why are you, Officer Bolthouse, coming on me with this little beer? That's how you felt.
I apologize.
That's how you felt. No, you don't take responsibility. You weren't. Now you're taking responsibility because you have to, but you didn't want to take responsibility the other day. That's why you missed out on a whole lot better deal because of your lack of responsibility and you want to throw the officer's ticket out. So we're in traffic court. It's a big deal in traffic court. It might not be a big deal downstairs in felony court, but it's a big deal in traffic court. All right. All right. So 240, 170. When can you pay?
240 and 170.
Yes.
It'll just be after probably like if I can just get 30 days. I get paid every week on my job. You know, the holiday month.
January 16th. You pay it by January 16th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone. And then we have a review for the 12-month delay That's gonna be December the 17th, 2026. You pay that, if you make sure you pay that, and don't get any other trouble, the case will be dismissed if you meet those two criteria. Sir, I wish you I wish you a happy holiday season, and unfortunately, you had to come to that because you brought it there, all right?
What was the
Thank you
total
so
amount? again?
240 plus 170.
11.
Okay, it's 4, basically. Okay.
You added up.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good holiday.
Have a safe, happy holiday season to both of you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I
Anybody
appreciate it.
else, Mr. This attorney, Officer Bowenhouse?
Thank
You
you,
be
Judge.
safe and have a
everyone.
safe, happy holiday season.
Happy holiday, guys. Yeah, you as well. Thanks, guys.
All right, have a good day, sir. Were we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gordon? Mr. Gordon,
Yes, I'm here.
all right, is that what you want to do, trial day?
Yes.
All right, I don't want to see any other tickets between now and January 13th, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, January 13th at 9 a.m. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Kenneth Lawrence Gloucester Jr. Case numbers SP 1812612, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1813071, SP 183222162, SP 183512551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gloucester.
Kenneth Lawrence Gloucester.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on this behalf, give you a $0 bond. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases into the record, and only one I see on the docket. Mr. Berry, you have your pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
One of them is a no insurance proof civil infraction. I have 2 no insurance misdemeanors. And I have 1 firearms failure to have CPL on possession. Mr. Gloucester, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gloucester, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Your Honor, the offer right now is going to be an open alcohol passenger, 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor, and no offer on the firearms. The rest will be dismissed.
That count amended to improper plate for the no insurance misdemeanor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And no improper plate, 0-point offense, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, $240 to be the fine. Open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, $240. That does carry 2 points. We'll put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gloucester, and the rest of the matter dismissed. Join the room. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Guyton. Ms. Guyton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, ask that this matter be set for pretrial, allow her to pay her reinstatement fee up front.
Ms. Guyton, I'm going to allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front with the understanding that you're going to have to pay this whole ticket off, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, so you need to bring that first $45 you have down to the courthouse. There's no better way I can allow you to do it, but bring it to the window. Bring it down to the courthouse and pay that reinstatement fee. Come back on January 13th, 2026. After you pay that reinstatement fee, you can go to the Secretary of State, see if they'll give you a license. If they don't give you a license, you can ask them for a printout on everything that's affecting your license. Ma'am, if you don't have anything further, your next court date is January the 13th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Angel Gunn. City of Detroit.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Angel A.P. Gunn. Good morning to you, ma'am. Case number
morning.
SP 809454, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gunn. State your name for the record, please.
Angel Gunn.
Good morning to you, ma'am. There's been time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gunn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone?
I'm ready on Javier Gonzalez.
Does Mr. Gonzalez need an interpreter?
No.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gonzalez. This is the city of Detroit versus Javier Gonzalez, case number SP 124-2402, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 179-2517, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-8608, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, over to you, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Javier Gonzalez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. The last 3 cases I called into the record are new cases, Mr. Ogletree.
So, my understanding, Officer Kennedy didn't show up. We respectfully requested dismissal on that one. And I spoke to Prosecutor Horn. She was saying that the officer who's still in the breakout room said he had no recollection for that one. So we're asking for a dismissal. In the new cases, he's asking for a bench trial date for those.
Officer Ayala, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning. Officer Ayala, badge number 125.
And you had no recollection?
No, sir.
Pardon me?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, very well. All right, so for SP 179-2517, counts 1 and counts 2, I'll dismiss for no recollection, and I do not see Officer Canada have signed in, so I will dismiss that case for no officer. All right, so SP 1242402, counts 1 and counts 2. Dismiss, no officer. SP 179-2517, counts 1 and counts 2. Dismiss, no recollection. All right, and then for the other 3 cases, SP 183-8608, counts 1, 2, and 3. I'll set the trial for January 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, he owes 288, plus he owes 156. The 288 is preventing him, if he doesn't already have a license, from getting clearances down here at the Secretary of State. So I just want to let you know that, and you owe 156 on the old ticket. Nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a great day and happy holidays to you.
Thank you. Mr.
I have one more case ready, Your Honor.
I'm right. I was about to ask you. Go ahead.
Kenny Gerard.
Yes, I'm here.
So Gerod. It was set for trial.
City of Detroit versus Kenny Gerard, case number SB 175-75432, SB 180-7125, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 180-7560, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Gerard, P number 69167.
All right, Mr. Gerard, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Morning, Kenny Gerard.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Harrison here. Let's see if we can pull him out, and Officer Fernandez. Have you got an offer for Mr. Gerard?
Yeah, there's a resolution. My understanding is also Officer Bell was scheduled for a trial today. My understanding, Officer Bell didn't show, requesting that to be dismissed. But for the open alcohol driver, that's being dismissed in the interest of justice. And the other cases, document cases, are being dismissed for compliance.
Officer Fernandez, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record for King Gerard?
Yes, sir. It's Officer Francisco Fernandez, badge number 1310.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Harrison, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record for Gerard?
Good morning, sir. Officer Tier, badge 368.
All right, so in the Officer Bell's matter, those three matters, SP 1807125, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Dismiss. No officer. I don't see Officer Bell has ever joined. To make sure. All right, and I'll grant the motion to dismiss, and then the other one, the SP 1807561 was a dismissal as well.
Yes, the open alcohol, that's dismissed in the best interest of justice, and then the others are dismissed for compliance.
All right, I'll grant the motion. Nothing further, all cases dismissed for the reasons stated on the record. There's nothing further, Mr. Gerard. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Okay. And then
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Harrison, you be safe out there and have a safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Have a good one, sir.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gloucester?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial on January 13th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney and to give that appointed attorney an opportunity to get up to speed on the case. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And again, if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish the best of luck to you. Okay, see you back January 13th.
You too.
And Judge, if you have a moment, can I have a breakdown with Mr. Gibbs and Miss Lanier? I can't move people when I zoom in from my phone.
Gibbs, Alton Gibbs, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. And Miss Lanier, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6.
Thank you, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jesus Vasquez Gomez, case number SP 181-5896, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gomez.
Jesus Vasquez Gomez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gomez an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gomez, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, on the no insurance misdemeanor, that's improper plates, seatbelts is dismissed.
Very well. That's the offer. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
License is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's pass that matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Leticia Garrett. Case numbers SP 1002852, SP 1002852. SP 1032626, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 992855, counts 1 and counts 2. Let's strike SP 1002852 from the record. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Leticia Garrett.
There's date and time set for a trial. I know I haven't seen Officer Wright here. I do not believe I've seen Officer Elani. I'm going to dismiss the cases on the court's own motion, Ms. Garrett, for no officer. I'm going to waive the warrant fees, but you're going to have to pay the reinstatement fees, which I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at $45 a piece, and you owe $198 on an old equipment violation. You'll pay that at your own. Well, that'll leave between you and the cashier, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. And have a
Thank you.
safe and happy holiday season.
You too. Bye.
Are we ready on Ms. Gunn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, she is aware of her jury trial rights. She would like to ask for this matter to be set for a bench trial.
trial date, ma'am. Trial date / formal hearing is going to be January the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheryl Gates.
Hey, Your Honor, this is Sergeant Eason.
Sergeant Easton, who are you here on?
Lanier.
Yeah,
I
she's
thought
here.
yeah.
The attorney is here as well, so anything, what else?
Oh, she is here.
She is here.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Cheryl Gates. Where's Cheryl Gates? It says this is 1:30. City of Detroit versus Cheryl Gates. Case numbers SP 1815359, SP 128. Strike that 182. SP 182-38261, SP 182-38351. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gates. State your name for the record, please.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Gates.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and
Good
time.
morning.
Call it set for arraignment. Go ahead, Ms. Bradfield, for purposes of arraignment.
For purpose of arraignment, you stand mute, wait for more readings. Ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
All right, we're entering not guilty plea on your clients. We gotta give your client a $0 bond. I have a 2 driving while license suspended and 116-20 over, Ms. Bradfield. Give Ms. Gates an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Gates, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. But Ms. Bradfield, you let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Judge, the
Thank
offer
you, Your
in
Honor.
December is going to be 1 failure to display, and on the moving violation, 6 to 10, 2 points.
All right, 6 to 10, 2 points. I won't fine you for that. I'll fine you $240 for this failure to display. And you can speak to Ms. Bradfield. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room, Ms. Gates. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Ms. Mason, you can excuse the officers for Cruz. I have Tiffy, what Patel, Paulus, I think, left, and Dabowski probably left as well.
Who's the defendant, Your Honor?
Still here.
Paulus, are you, good morning, Officer Paulus, that would be Cruz, Nico Cruz did not appear.
Okay, thank you, Your
Officer
Honor.
Paulus, be safe out there, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. I don't see you.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good one.
You as well.
Judge, do you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning. I had a court date today.
No, you're on there. You're on
My
there.
name is Michael Goodman.
Good, you're coming up.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. Is Lucretia Galvin here? Ms. Galvin, are you here?
Yeah, he'll be staying with you for a few months.
What?
Ms. Galvin, can you silence your device, please? Good morning to you. I don't know what she's doing. Unmute your background noise, ma'am. You can unmute yourself, but you have to mute your background noise, please, or go into a quieter location if you can.
Hi, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Lucretia Galden, case number SP 80, strike that, SP 1805677. Ms. Galden, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Lucretia Monique Garden.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial, Ms. Galden. There is no officer Knowles that I have seen on my list that has appeared, and I do not see that officer in any of the rooms. Oh, the officer did call and dismiss, no recollection, so the officer did appear, but the officer had no recollection. I'm going to, on the court's own motion, dismiss the case for no recollection, all right? If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Vasquez Gomez. Mr. Vasquez Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We'll enter a plea to the seatbelt charge.
There's no seatbelt charge on you.
Thought that's all there was, seatbelt and insurance.
I have a no ops. Maybe that was entered into wrong. I see that it probably was entered into wrong. Because I do have failure to use seatbelt assembly system. So that was entered into wrong. You just want to plead to the seatbelt ticket?
Your Honor, the offer for us was on the no insurance, was improper plates, and dismissing the seatbelt ticket.
So it's the reverse.
And he has valid insurance, Your Honor.
Okay, then if that's that's dismissed, plead to the seatbelt then.
That's what we're.
Okay.
Seatbelt. $65. You want to take the deal, sir? Other matter dismissed.
Yeah, that's no problem. I can pay it in 30 days.
Stipulates to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause of dismissal of the matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of a seatbelt ticket. Well, as charged the seatbelt ticket, it was entered into the ROA system wrong. The ticket was written as a seatbelt violation, but somebody entered into the system wrong, so that's not a no ops, it's a seatbelt. All right, $65, pay it by January 16, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload DivDat after your phone. If you pay it, we'll close it out. Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you best of luck.
All right, thank you.
Hiya, Godwin.
Michael Goodwin.
Michael, is that M? Spell it.
Michael. Michael. My son, I don't know why my son's name is on my phone. That's my son's name.
Oh. Maybe because he got it in his name, huh?
No, it's in my name.
Let's see. He has a case in warrant status. You can let him know to come in. We'll recall a warrant. Let me see here. What page is good one on, if anybody sees good?
Good is, I think it's 8. He's on, 6:30,
For some reason I don't see the,
on the first page for the.
oh, I see. That's what happens when you only have one case on there.
There is.
I'm so used to seeing multiple names. Michael Lamont Goodwin. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Michael Lamont Goodwin. Case number is SP 13425501. Appear to the record, please.
L. Woodbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodwin.
Michael Lamont Goodwin.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Goodwin. Did you send me an email?
No, sir.
All right, go on and breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Judge, the offer
All
at
right.
this time on the improper plates is going to be no offer. Plea discharge.
All right, join the room. I see you, Mr. Gibbs. All right, let's go with, you ready on yours?
Yes, Judge.
Who do you have?
All-time Gibbs.
All right, let's go with Alton Gibbs. This is the city of Detroit. Oh, he's in the breakout room. Let me bring him up. This is the city of Detroit. Versus, hold on, this is the city of Detroit in the state of Michigan versus Alton Gibbs. Case number SP 1564496, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 429-21551. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Mysteria, P 87848. All-time Gibbs, please state your full name for the record.
Alton Gibbs, can you state your name for the record, please?
Elton Gibbs.
Alton Gibbs, I'm sorry. Mr. Gibbs, day is date time set for a trial. I do have Officer Hughes has appeared. I do not see Officer Short or Trooper Short. You want to make a motion on that one?
Yes, Judge. I'll be moving to dismiss for no obstruction.
Have you had I'll grant the motion to dismiss on that. Have you got a resolution for the other 2 cases?
Yes, Judge.
And what is that?
Claims to have failed to display for count 2. Count 1 will be dismissed.
Failed to display on a violations restricted license?
That's correct.
Is his license still restricted?
It's my understanding that it still is.
So do you know that's gonna cause further damage to his license?
I believe I have talked to Mr. Gibbs about that.
And have you talked to the city?
Shannon Walker.
And she's not willing to do anything further?
I can touch base with her again, Judge.
Find out. I mean, let's run his driver's license, please.
Can
The
I,
other one, Michelle Lanier.
You say what?
can I
Michelle
speak?
Lanier.
What do you need to say, sir? What do you need to say?
I would just, I'm all done with, I'm all off of probation and wind up. And I no longer have any restrictions on my job.
He has no restrictions on his license. And that's what he says. We'll see. All right, well, the license is valid, so you want to take the deal, failure to display, $240, or are there, what do they
Or
want to do?
at this time, Your Honor, DHQ Mason, City of Detroit, 43471, we'll give him an allowing. At the time of the incident, he was restricted. We'll do an allowing at this time.
Allowing $240 is the fine. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points, and I'll dismiss upon payment. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Massaria went over your other advice and rights and breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 23rd. Officer Hughes, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Hughes, Detroit Police Department, badge 801.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let me carry your attention back all the way back to March the 28th, 2024, at around 4 a.m. Mr. Gibbs, in the area of Fort and Lawndale. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did you have a restricted license at that time?
Yes, I did.
And you didn't have, you weren't operating that vehicle under the, for the purposes of which you could operate under that restricted license. You weren't operating that vehicle for those purposes at that time, were you?
No, I didn't really know I had a restricted license at that time, so I found out right then. So
and you weren't going to work, you weren't going to the doctor's office, you were just riding around at 4 in the morning at that morning, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. $240 is the fine. I won't ask what he's doing riding around at 4 in the morning for Fort Lawndale, but you know, and stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
$240, Mr. Gibbs. When can you pay it?
I got to get on some type of payment plan.
All right, I'm gonna do this. Come back on January the 16th, 2026 for a review at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. I'm marking the file, allow payment plan. If you get into that payment plan or you pay it by then, we'll dismiss the case. Or if you get into the payment plan, we'll wait until you finish paying to dismiss the case, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Anything further? I'll see you back January 16th. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Officer Hughes, if you don't have any further questions, you be safe out there and have a safe and happy holiday season too if I don't see you.
Yep, thank you. You have a good one as well, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. You have a blessed day and a blessed
All right,
holiday.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Okay, the city of Detroit versus Lachelle and Lanier. Case numbers SP 1233488, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-26191. SP 141-8050, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 152-5167, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 152-5171, counts 1. SP 153-4901, counts 1. SP 155-3179, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 161-07323, SB 177-6193, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 177-61941, SB 177-6196, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 177-6197, counts 1, 2, and 3, in the state of Michigan versus Lachelle and Lanier, case number SX 45671-801, appears for the record, please.
Frank Mysterio, P. 8784A, on behalf of Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, please state your full name for the record. Ms. Lanier, please state your full name for the record.
Lanier's in a breakout room number 6.
Okay, Sergeant Eason, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Sergeant Joseph Easton, badge number S668, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Corporal Bajan, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Corporal Bajan, badge 234, Detroit Police Department.
All right, so day and time set for a trial. I don't have any other officers on here, so there's just the Bajan and Eason. I'm gonna try and pull out this Lanier from the breakout room. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think Ms. Bradfield went in and get her. And come up with
I
a.
understand we had more officers on the case, so if these are the only two I need to talk.
All right, go ahead. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Lanier, let's go back on the record, Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, state your name for the record, please.
Lachelle Lanier.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Your counsel's going to do some more work on the case, and just sit tight. We're going to pass the matter. All right.
Okay, no problem.
Corporal Bajan and Officer Eason are the two officers. Everybody else, nobody else appears.
All right, Judge, I apologize. I thought there was several more officers.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal.
All right. This was an improper plate, but
No objection, Your Honor, to the dismissal.
He's got valid insurance, so I'm sure you didn't pay for insurance and didn't get a plate. I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, sir, and I will waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This is Terrell Garner here. Terrell Garner here. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Terrell Garner. Case number SB 1116883, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1116941, SB 1380812, SB 1584333, counts 1, 2. Strike count 2, 1, and 3. SB 1586169, counts 1. SB 1622846, counts 2 and counts 3. 17313143 19452660, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 4073911, appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garner.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry is here to get you an updated offer or attempt to. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, He has an absolute right to a trial.
The offer at this time, Your Honor, will be 3 improper plates, 1 failure to display, and on the driving on the sidewalk, the curb, that's gonna be a 1 to 5, 1 point.
Drive walk and failure, okay. 1 to 5, drive walk on the sidewalk and the curb, so you'll amend that to civil infraction, 1 to 5, all right. 3 improper plates, 1 failure to display, and a 1 to 5, other matters dismissed. The 3 improper plates do not abstract to the Secretary of State, so therefore they don't carry any points. I'll dismiss them upon payment. A 1 failure to display, it does abstract, however, it doesn't carry any points. And 1 to 5 is a 1 point offense. He has owes $288 on an old no insurance proof. He can potentially set himself up if he doesn't have one already to get a valid license. If he pays that $288, and I say potentially because I don't know what your driver record looks like in other jurisdictions, but that will give you a clearance here. Mr. Garner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you enough, he's gonna go over that offer with you. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gates. Ms. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Take the failure to display and the 6 to 10 over?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is aware of her trial rights and she would like to enter a guilty and responsible plea and accept the people's offer.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is the misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Ms. Harris, Ms. Bradfield went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
yes,
Understood those rights?
yes.
You have
I
any
understand.
questions? Do you have
I
any
understand.
questions? Do you have any questions about the rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 4th, 2025, around 2:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Outer Drive and Foss. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I was driving to the grocery store without my license. Yes.
You were going awfully fast, weren't you?
Well, I had my kids at home. My daughter died, and I have her kids. I went to the grocery store to get groceries. I had them all in the car. I explained it to them.
I'm sorry.
I apologize for my actions, but I knew I didn't have my license now, but I had to get some groceries. And my other occasion, I had to pick the kids up, got sent home from school early. So that's why I was under the wheel.
Your daughter passed away, ma'am.
Yes, she did.
I said, when did she pass away?
November 17th.
Of this year?
No, last year.
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. I can't imagine. You know, would
So
never.
I got both of her kids, 12 and 16.
And are you work?
No, I don't. I'm on disability. I worked 24 years as nursing, and then I had 2 knee replacements. So I was down walking without it. Couldn't walk for a year, so I just retired then.
Very well. Okay, I'll find you guilty as to the amended count of failure to display.
Yes.
And I will find you responsible to the amended count of 6 to 10 over. And your kids are, and your grandkids are how old?
Well, one just turned 12 November 3rd. The other one, she's 16. Her birthday is December 23rd coming up. She'll be 17.
Very good. All right. In the interest of justice, I'm not going to fine you on this, ma'am. I'll just ask you to slow down, ma'am. My condolences go out to your family, and make sure that 240 goes to something nice for your grandkids for Christmas. All right.
Thank you so much, and your family as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy
Honor.
your holiday. Thank you.
All right. Let's go with the city of Detroit versus DeAndre Dante Grover. Case numbers.
So everything over? He threw everything out?
Oh, I didn't throw everything
What
out.
do I do?
You got guilty pleas on it and responsible pleas, but I didn't find you on any other stuff, okay?
Okay, where do I go from here? So I don't want to
You're
be in any
done.
type.
You're done. Try to get a valid license.
Oh, thank you, sir. I am. I have to.
All right. Best of luck to you, man.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus DeAndre Dante Grover. Case numbers SP 1809563 SP 1826185 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1826349 counts 1 and 2, SP 1831760 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Grover. State your name for the record, please.
DeAndre Dante Grover.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for more readings, as if the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
Pleader are not guilty, pleading your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There were 3 cases on the docket. I counted more. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases into the record. I didn't count SP 1527870 1 into the record. That makes 8 cases. And SP 1721259 into the record. Those matters are here because he didn't pay the fines. So getting back to what's in the unless there's something in another section here. Bradfield, we're talking about outside of the 3 cases that are on the docket. You have a license improper, no insurance misdemeanor, a failure to stop at a stop sign, expired plate, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a driving while license suspended repeat offender. To get Mr. Grover an updated offer. I don't know if he has a driver's license now, but I don't see anything here that's preventing him from getting a license. Mr. Grover, go ahead.
The updated offer from the prosecution is going to be on the license suspended repeat offender. There'll be a failure to display. On the no insurance misdemeanor, just plead to 1 no insurance misdemeanor. And on the failure to stop, that'll be a 1 to 5. The remaining dismissed.
Thank you.
Failure to display improper plate 1 to 5. Mr. That's your offer. Go to speak to Ms. Bradfield. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. That's the matter. All right, let's go back on the record. Oh, well, not yet.
Barry, do you have the offer on Larry Gibbs? Attorney Barry,
Yes.
do you
What
have
is
the
it?
offer? Do you have an offer on Larry Gibbs?
I haven't spoken to Mr. Gibbs. I have the Garner.
Do you have an offer? You want me to give you the offer?
You provided it
Oh,
already.
I did.
The Garner.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to 3 improper plates, 1 failure to display, and for the shoulder matter, 1 to 5 over.
Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Garner?
Yes, sir.
And for the
Raise your
record,
right-
Your Honor, I'm sorry, for the record, Your Honor, Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. The driving the sidewalk to curb, because it is a misdemeanor, will have to be amended to a civil infraction and for the 1 to 5 speed.
Yeah, I understand. You want to raise your right hand, Mr. Garner? Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advisor rights in breakout room, did he not? You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know about taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to way back to September the 22nd, 2020 at around 4:46. I don't know if you could recollect that, but it would help for me to clear up a lot of these in this one, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Plymouth and Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that date? You recall that date getting pulled over by Detroit Police Department driving a 2006, was that Volkswagen?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license,
Yes, sir.
registration, and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Was that your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't produce any of those documents, could you?
No, sir.
All right, why is that? What was wrong with the plates on the vehicle?
My plate, it was just a temporary plate, and I never went to go get my real plate.
All right, I'll find him guilty of that improper plate, and then this one will be a combination of maybe improper plate and allowings. It's gonna make the same, it's gonna be the same difference as far as the fines and costs. It's just the judicial economy. I'll find you guilty of improper plate, and you didn't have a valid driver's license, did you?
No, sir.
Find them guilty of allowing. And you didn't have valid insurance, did you?
No, sir.
And you didn't have valid registration, did you?
No, I had valid registration. I believe I gave it to the officer.
How did you have valid registration if you didn't have, if the temporary plate was no good?
Yeah, because I had the registration that came with the car, so I just tried to show him that. That's what it was.
Huh?
I said I had the registration that I had inside my glove box, the one that comes with the car. That's what I showed them.
Yeah, but how is it valid if the plate is not valid?
Oh, well, then no, I'm sorry, it wasn't valid.
Pardon me?
No, I said no, it wasn't valid.
It wasn't valid, right?
Yeah.
All right, so strike out allowing for the driver's license never acquired. That'll be a failure to display. And I'll find him guilty for the insurance for an amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance. Let's see what this registration was on the same day. Yes, that registration was on the same day. I'll find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for that and having the valid registration. And stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea for the civil infraction, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You're not gonna, were you driving on the sidewalk that day, sir? Not this day, but on 8/15/2022 in 7 Mile and Woodward?
Yes, I was on my moped. Didn't know I could drive down the street.
You have to drive the moped
yeah, I just don't want to get
I'll find her responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. So stipulate the probable cause we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, as far as fines, I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. I'm not gonna fine you for the driving on the sidewalk or the amended count of 1 to 5. Oh, we can't amend that. We can't amend that because it doesn't have a vehicle, right?
Not to a moving violation.
It's not gonna be amended to a moving violation, Miss Mason, because it doesn't have a make and model of the vehicle on the thing.
Sometimes you can do a speeding traffic, sometimes they can.
I'm told by Miss Mathis that she can do a impeding traffic, they can amend it with the impeding traffic, it doesn't have to make a model.
Can we do driving a lope? Can we do a moped on the sidewalk? That's a civil infraction. A moped's a civil infraction.
I don't.
Drive moped on the sidewalk or limited access, which is it's kind of the same thing. It's a civil
Well, when you get to the points matters and it doesn't have a vehicle on there, then the system doesn't allow Miss Mathis to amend.
Oh, okay. Then give them the impeding.
Especially if it's a charge that you would do in a car.
Blocking traffic will be that. You get a break today, sir.
But moped's kind of like a.
It just, when she tried to put it in the other day and it didn't have a make or model, then she wasn't allowed to put it in and they had to make some other arrangements. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna fine you. Well, I'll do this. I'll fine you $175 for the impeding. $175, and I'm gonna fine you $240 for the failure to display, and I'm not gonna fine you for the other stuff. $175 and $240, you owe a significant amount in reinstatement fees and a significant amount in old tickets. So $240, $175. I'm gonna give you 30 days. January 16th, 2026, and I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. Pay it by January 16th, 2026 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Or you get into the payment plan on or before that date, all right? Best of luck to you, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Larry Montez Gibbs, case number SB 1644799, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1751222, counts 1 and counts 3. SB 175 1310, counts 1 and 3. SB 1751313, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibbs.
Larry Montez Gibbs.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, time set for a pre-trial, arraignment on the bench for purpose of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute to the charges.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He has 3 civil infractions. They must have recently went into default because I don't even see any, he paid $100 on one. No insurance proof, expired plate, and expired plate. I don't have, he paid another money on another, at least $95 on that other one. I'm I'm going to give you, I don't have any issue with setting those three matters aside. The city has no objection. I think he's in a payment plan with those three things. I think he's in a payment plan with those three things. I'll give him an opportunity to be heard on, Mr. Gibbs, that's two expired plates and one no insurance proof. Mr. Barry, get Mr. Gibbs an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gibbs, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Fast enough.
Judge, and Mr. Gibbs, did he have any extra charges on the docket or anything extra?
He has extra charges. He's actually in a payment plan with those three charges. Two expired plates and one no insurance proof.
Okay. I'll dismiss those. Let them know.
Jail, jail. Somebody called looking for something. They don't send an email to Thursday. This was inquiring like something they can get, no.
Somebody from jail?
Yeah, he's in federal custody. He needs he had a plea that mail. It's kind of been here for point of counsel. You get that.
is bad shape. Son, apparently, yeah, it says reportedly he arrived at the Riverside, Santa Monica around 4 a.m. Sunday. Used his own credit card to secure a one-night reservation. Employee eyewitnesses told outlet that Nick appeared tweaked out at check-in. They noted there was no visible signs of injury or blood on his body at the time. Despite booking the rooms for just one night, the son of the Hollywood legend never formally checked out. When hotel staff entered the room later Sunday morning on December 14th, they allegedly discovered a disturbing scene. Sources claim the shower was full of blood, with additional blood found on the bed. Bed sheets were also reportedly used to cover the room's windows. The hotel stay came shortly after Nick was seen at O'Brien's party, with multiple sources say place. Nick reportedly wore a sweatshirt to the upscale event kept to himself. TMZ also reported that the two had a very loud argument before Nick left for the night. Nick was eventually located in the restaurant approximately 20 miles away from Exposition Park in downtown Los Angeles on Sunday evening with a murder charge. He said parents struggled for years to help address substance abuse issues, aware of which were hard to be successful. Needed.
That's the day, right?
That's what Carol O'Connor, Archie.
That's what present.
You say what?
A little bit. You got
Nothing worse than
a little bit.
You can't.
You got that right.
Archie Murphy was bad.
He can't be act like he watched a lot of episodes.
And his vocabulary is.
Yeah, but he watched a lot of that.
I don't know where Frank signed. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grover. Mr. Grover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna call it trial/review for the monies that he hasn't paid. At January 13th, 2020, 6 at 9 a.m. was the trial, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. That'll be trial/formal hearing/review. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. You as well. Have a good one.
Yep.
You know what's funny about him saying that? You will have a mother dress all her kids and bring all the kids down here come to court.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Larry Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. So, Mr. Gibbs, Mr. Gibbs would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the loudspeaker charge, as well as 2 counts of improper plates. I know at least 1 is on the docket. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? The misdemeanor offense.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to November 14th, way back to 2024, at around 2:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Warwick. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating this 1998 Chevy?
Yes.
Is that your vehicle?
Yes, I sold it. I junked it.
Was there something wrong with was the vehicle registered at the time?
No, sir.
And was it something, so the vehicle was not registered, was there something wrong with the plate on it?
I don't remember, Your Honor. I just been in so much trouble lately. It's just like I know I had insurance, but I don't know about the plates.
Well, if it wasn't registered, then it didn't have proper plates. You would agree with that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. And were you playing music loud enough so that if somebody's 10 feet away from your vehicle, they can hear that music?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to the loud music. Find your client guilty as charged to the improper plate, and find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, let's say this. All right, I'll cut your break. Fine you just for one of them, $240 for the loud music, sir. Dismiss upon. When can you pay it?
Your Honor, I can pay it. I'm already on the payment plan. I thought I went in and handled all these matters. I went to jail on this.
Here's the deal. Okay, I forgot about that. Here's the deal. All right. What we'll do is I'm gonna close those matters out to you under the payment plan. And since I didn't fine you but for one of the 240s, you just pay the 240 and you'll be done.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
All right. So we're gonna keep that money for civil infractions, and you just pay that additional 240, and you'll be done.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, when can you pay it?
I'm not sure. Can I do the payment plan with that, or can I have a month?
January 16th, 2026. Allow payment plan, do one of two things, either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. We'll close those other payment plans out. You're gonna have to come down and get into another payment plan for January 16th. If you want to do that, you can get into that payment plan. Come back January 16th and let us know what you want to do. Let us know what you did. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, sir. All right?
You too. Have a blessing for you and all your staff.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Sorry, did you get an updated offer?
Yes, I did, Judge.
And what is that offer?
3 counts of failed to display and 1 count of open alcohol passenger or many beers to be dismissed.
3 counts failure to display and 1 count what?
Open alcohol as a passenger, amended from open alcohol as a driver.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lanier?
Yes, I do.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? It's 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Massari went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights.
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, I do.
Anybody offers you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to August 26, 2025, around 10:61 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lauder and Linden. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
They were invalid at the time. I had it, my license.
That's very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to August 13, 2024, at around 5:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Chalfont. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license then.
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
Because it was invalid.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for that. Draw your attention way back to February 19, 2024, at around 4:16 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and East Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day? Strike that.
Yes, I did.
Strike that, strike that, strike that.
Okay.
Draw your attention back to November the 21st, 2023, at around 7:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Preston, Linden. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license in that case.
And it was invalid. I was not able to.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. And lastly, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to August the 26th, 2025, around 10:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit. That's back on Lauder in Linden. You said you were in that motor vehicle around that date and that time. Did you have some alcohol in the vehicle then?
Yes.
Was the alcohol open?
Yes, it was a cup.
And was it something that what was in the cup?
Some wine.
And it was wine in the container at the time you got stopped?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger. All right. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, fine. I'm gonna fine you twice, 240. I won't fine you for the other two. 240 and 240. And then you owe a lot of other monies here for, you've dug yourself a real deep hole. You owe a lot of other monies. I'm gonna pay by January 16th, 2026, and I'm marking the file allow payment plan. Either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay, I'll come in person when I do. I prefer to come in person. I don't make any mistakes.
Get into that payment plan January 16th. You don't have to come back now, Ms. If you have a safe and happy holiday season, I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Mayor, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a happy holiday as well to you and your family.
Thank you. Corporal Bajan and Sergeant Easton, you be safe out there. Have a safe and happy holiday season. And Mr. Musari, you have a safe and happy holiday. I don't see you. Probably see you. I probably will. All right.